cloudy with outbreaks of rain for England and Wales and another mild day ahead. The outlook is milder, but hints of it turning colder for the big day itself. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday, 19th of...
Actually, it is looking a little bit more likely Christmas Day just across the north of the UK. So Scotland, if you lived up a mountain, there is a good chance you could see. It's not the news we all want. For most of us, it's cloudy and mild and wet.
OK.
That's the best I can do
Well,
for now.
unless you want to go and visit, you know, now's the time, because you could get a white Christmas.
That is it. Find a lovely cottage up in a mountain, and that could be the Dickensian seed that you're looking for. But for now, it is cloudy, it is mild, and it is wet. Here's the details. But it's unseasonably mild. Temperatures are way above average, and the pressure sequence shows why. Winds coming right across the Atlantic, bringing with it milder. But through the end of the week, weather fronts bring rain in the north, and then the air changes. It comes from the north, and by Monday we start to see air moving in from the more northerly direction, and that brings in some colder weather. Good morning to you. Now, weather-wise, as we head through the next few days, things are remaining very mild across the UK, but hints that things turn colder into the big day itself. So, why is it so mild? Winds are from a westerly direction, bringing mild air from across the Atlantic. Weather fronts close to the north and west bring wet and windy conditions. Such an incredible story. Now, weather-wise, things mild, and it stays pretty mild as we head through the next few days because the Atlantic is driving in these temperatures that are way above average, and also weather fronts bringing a lot of rain across the north of the UK. And it brings rain today. It will be heavy, then blustery showers follow behind. The latest satellite radar picks out a very wet scene for England and Wales. Rain heavy through western areas, but it will clear pretty quickly as we head through the day. So northern England, North Wales see the sunshine first, then it spreads across the rest of England as we head through the day. Temperatures down a little compared to yesterday, 7 to 12 degrees, but still average or above. Blustery showers moving through Scotland and Northern Ireland, cold enough for snow across the tops of the high ground. For the weather and rainfall across the UK, but nothing on that scale, thankfully. The rain will clear, and then blustery showers move in later on today. Throughout, it stays mild. This is the latest satellite and radar image. Cloud for everybody, mild for everybody, but rain. And the rain is heavy through western areas of Wales, but it quickly clears away. So if you have outdoor plans, maybe hold off a few hours because that rain is set to clear. So by this afternoon, it's dry for England and Wales. Scotland and Northern Ireland, blustery showers move in. And temperature-wise, we're looking at 6 or 7 in the north, about average, 11 or 12 in the south, so just a little above average. This evening and overnight tonight, it turns increasingly breezy. Showers feed into the northwest, and that means it remains frost-free. And tomorrow, it is more of the same. Cloudy, breezy, particularly for northwestern areas, and yes, it stays mild. The outlook is mild through the end of the week and the weekend, but hints it could turn colder for the big day itself next week. For the weather